One of the big stories when it comes to President-elect Donald Trump is what will happen with his administration and the Affordable Care Act. Lisa Bernard-Kuhn joining us now from WCPO.com. Part of your job covering government and politics. So what's going to happen? So much has been said, especially on the national level, about the Affordable Care Act now that President-elect Donald Trump will be going into office.
So we know that Republicans will have full control coming into the new year, right? The White House, the Senate, the House, and they have vowed, since the Affordable Care Act was put into place, to repeal it and replace it. But what they haven't done yet is put forth a plan that tells us what the way forward is for the key pieces that they want to replace. And so the situation we have now is a lot of uncertainty for the more than 20 million consumers who have signed up for health insurance on the marketplace, the healthcare.gov, those who have received insurance through Medicaid, and a lot of uncertainties for insurers who are participating in the marketplace. There's a lot of questions about what exactly are they going to wrestle with, and what would be the ramifications of just pulling out one or two pieces of this.
Yeah, it's funny, and on the campaign trail, especially with Mr. Trump, there was a lot of things said, from I'm going to blow it up to disbanding it completely. Is there any chance that it goes away 100%?
I think the narrative has moved to, let's look at what pieces aren't working and let's really analyze what pieces are working. For example, we know that Portman and even Trump have said pieces like the requirement that are making sure that insurers don't discriminate against someone who has health conditions and then force them to forego insurance as a result. They want to make sure that those discriminatory practices are no longer permissible. But does Medicaid expansion really need to be as robust as it is? Do the marketplaces really need to operate the way that they are? That's what we think they're going to take up.
This has been such a partisan topic since it really came about. From this standpoint, I think it goes with, we should reiterate again what you said right off the bat. Now that the Republicans control everything, how is this pendulum going to swing back on this issue? I guess it's going to be an interesting scene what we're going to see over the next several months. How soon do you expect this to play out?
So it could play out. I think that for several months we'll see some deliberation about what pieces get reworked. Certainly we know that Republicans have said time and again that increasingly they're more interested in making sure they have a plan in place before they begin removing key pieces of this.
Article that you could read right now on our website at WCPO.com. Lisa, thanks.
Thank you.